Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag Recipes. If you didn't subscribe to Bhurag Recipes, then please do subscribe. In today's video, we are going to see making of tomato chutney, which tastes great with plain rice or even you can enjoy it in breakfast as well. So let's quickly check out the recipe. Just have a look into the ingredients on screen and keep it ready. These are very basic ingredients which are available in everyone's kitchen. In a hot pan, add 2 spoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, and let it fry for a minute. Now add 5 to 6 green chillies roughly chopped. You can spice it accordingly and fry it for a minute until it is crisp. And also add 3 large tomatoes roughly chopped and let it cook on a medium flame until it is soft and mushy. It will take hardly 3-4 minutes to cook. And also add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a quick mix. Once it is soft and mushy, turn off the flame and also add handful of coriander leaves and give a quick mix and let it cool down completely before blending. Once it is cooled, transfer it to a blender jar and blend it finely or coarsely as per your preference. Finally add 2 garlic pods and blend it once. And transfer it to a serving bowl. You can enjoy this delicious tomato chutney in hot piping rice by adding little ghee, or even you can serve it in breakfast like Vada and Dosa as well. And also check out my other lunch recipes. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family.